The CEGB, the Central Electricity Generating Board, launched a new experiment in alternative energy technology today by opening Britain's largest ever wind turbine on the coast of southwest Wales. It'll be contributing real power to the national grid and will be studied as a prototype for designing and building yet larger windmills. It's the first of the CEGB's wind turbines, and it's the first stage in the board's strategy to assess the commercial potential of wind power. Tim Maby reports from the site near Llanelli.
Britain's largest wind turbine has been built here on the highly exposed shore of Carmarthen Bay, outside a huge power station. An old church nearby, incidentally, has had to have its stained glass windows double glazed because of the many gales on this shore. And now the wife of Sir Walter Marshall, chairman of the CEGB, dwarfed by the towering windmill with its 80-foot across blades, is going to switch it on.
I now declare... Oh, what's it called? Wind turbine. I now declare this wind turbine spinning.
Sir Walter Marshall, it is just an experiment at the moment, isn't it, this new windmill?
Yes, but it's a real one. It's feeding electricity into the grid, and so it's actually providing power to householders here in South Wales. If you average it out, it would be about enough for a small village.
How many electric fires?
Oh, about 50 electric fires burning all day, all the year.
And how much did that cost to build then?
£650,000.
Is that economical as it is?
No, of course not. But this is only the beginning. It's only research, and there's no hope of being economic until we can build bigger ones and mass produce them. That's quite a way away, but at least this is a beginning. If we can space them around the country, then I think we might find that we get a good, steady contribution from the wind, because the wind will be blowing somewhere, and that will save using coal. And next century, we're going to need coal to make oil and plastics and other chemicals. So we've got to find everything we possibly can to replace the use of coal just for electricity.
You have schemes of putting it in other places than on the land?
Yes. We're interested in putting it out at sea, because there the winds are stronger and steadier. But that's, you know, rather more difficult, so we thought we'd take a first step first.
When do you think it might actually produce a really measurable source?
I can't honestly see it producing a significant, noticeable contribution to energy until the next century. I mean, you know, you'd have to build 1,000 much bigger stations than this just to match up to a big modern power station.
That was Tim Maby reporting on the CEGB's new wind turbine in southwest Wales near